Do you have regrets of each other?
I mean, don't get me wrong, I have days where I do regret. Yeah, he just doesn't cook it.
Oh, Uelese.
One superpower, what would it be?
Mine be the angel or touch your soul.
You go first. Yay.
And the other ones, she's the best wife ever. No, hindi ka mag-share. She's the best wife. Best in this world. And the other thing I'm not like about her breath in the morning. Smash my nose, you know?
We have this conversation every morning. When he turns over, he says, morning baby. I'm like,
You better like this video. You better like this video.
What's up, SB Squad? Welcome back
to another video. It's your boy Jody over here and it's your girl Victoria. Let's go get it on, baby. Let's go get it on, baby. Let's go get it on, baby. Come on, sing it. Let's go.
All right, guys, welcome back. It's been a very long time since we've done one of these. We did a Q&A. Heck, we might even do another one if you have more questions that weren't answered today. Because of the time, we're just probably going to pick about 10 to 20. It depends on how long the answers are. But if you are dying to ask us something that wasn't answered, then please, by all means, comment down below. Yeah. And we may do
the next one.
Yeah, we may do another one.
Yeah, we may do the next one.
So we did answer some of them, very few of them in our last mukbang.
Yeah. So you have to comment down below if you have more questions, and we'll do another mukbang.
Yeah.
A question and answer some questions. Yeah.
Let's start off with this one. The very first one is Peeve X unknown.
Do you have regrets of each other? Regret of each other?
Yeah, so let's just dive into this one. So do I have any regrets of Aussie? I definitely have a lot of regrets. One of them being that he's annoying. No, I'm joking. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have days where I do regret. But no, overall, no, I don't regret Aussie. Aussie, you are the love of my life.
Alright. Do you have a regret of Victoria? My answer is yes. I have regret of Victoria.
What is it?
It's been not listened to me sometimes. Let's go. Nah, I don't have it sometimes, but you know. You need to stop cheeky to me, you know? So yeah, no.
Yeah, anyways, that was just a jokey question.
And yeah.
What's something in your relationship that's strengthened over the years? Did I answer this one? I don't know.
Just answer.
Well, you go first. Yay.
I don't know. You answer first.
How can you not know? Clearly, I don't know whose relationship this guy's been in.
I don't know.
You can't think of one thing?
Love, you know?
Oh, well, finally, it was pretty much spelling it out of my freaking ass.
Love. Now it's strong now. Very strong. Before it's not that strong.
Oh, but this guy, we can't even be serious in our first Q&A back.
Yeah, love. It's getting stronger and stronger, you know?
Okay, definitely I would say our love, but also I think our communication has significantly improved. Like, Aussie's still working on it. But when he gets grumpy, he just gets grumpy. He doesn't know how to open his two lips and talk and tell me what he's not happy about. He just goes crazy. Like, he doesn't go crazy, but I mean, like, he just gets really narky and snappy and shitty. He gets in a really shitty mood. I said snappy. That's the only thing.
Snappy.
But, yeah.
Let's go, Snappy.
Yeah. Other than that, we're living the dream. Tux and Sarah said, would you ever move to Samoa?
I want to move to Samoa. I really want to. But, you know, it's hard for her because her parents are over here. But for me, it's better to live here and work for our family back home. But I really want to move to Samoa. I really want to.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind it. I definitely wouldn't mind it. Just because of how everything's going at the moment. But then again, I don't know what's really going on over there. I like, everything aside, yes, it's definitely in the picture. It's definitely not ruled out, so I'll give you that. Dennis Villi, not a question, but next vlog reaction should be to your first vlog. I think we've already done this, Dennis, but we will do more reactions to our previous vlogs because I can't. Like, looking back at our videos, I honestly can't stand to watch it because I'm like, ew, I just want to uppercut myself. The next one is
Silesia. Do you guys have any goals you like to achieve in the next 5 years? If no, what are some?
If so,
what are some? In the next 5 years, we would like to buy a house, maybe in the country, and then
yeah, I mean,
do a farmer stuff, you know.
I haven't thought too far ahead. It's just really hard to do that.
I would love to do that kind of stuff.
You don't know the direction where everything is heading. But yeah, that's definitely on our books. We'd love to go rural. I would just love to have like my own little garden, my own little veggie patch. Yeah. You know, self-sufficient, that kind of thing. I would love that. It's just like, it's similar to like growing up in Samoa where you're just like so peaceful. I feel like growing up in the city versus the country, you're just so more down to earth when you don't have as much. You're more down to earth, you're more appreciative. That would be such a great environment and atmosphere to raise kids in. I feel, I mean, like either or, you know what I mean? I turned out fine. I was raised here. Anyways, one pro and one con about getting married in the islands and not in Australia. We just got to be quick with these because we're already at like 12 minutes and we've only answered like one pro. Being married in the islands, I would say, is it's cheaper. Like your money kind of doubles. It doesn't really double because of the rate at the moment.
And it's like traditional stuff and culture, you know. So make your weddings like rich wedding or something.
What, Peeve?
Yeah, if you do your wedding back home, it's like more, you can feel it.
Okay.
You can feel it, the traditional and the culture, you can feel it.
Yeah, oh, you mean like the tradition, the culture is more rich there?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Nah.
Okay, well, yeah, that's not doing it in Australia. Like if you grew up here, most of your family from here may not be able to make it. That kind of thing. So not having a family there would be a con to have it away from Australia. But then having it in the islands is that it's cheaper. Scenery is beautiful. You can just have your honeymoon straight after. Your grandma can be there. Your grandpa can be there. And if you're like my case, Aussie's family could be there as well, which they otherwise wouldn't have been able to travel. Oh, Mele_art. XO, one superpower, what would it be? Mine would be to be able to fly, I reckon. I'd love to know. I would love to be able to fly.
Mine would be the angel or touch your soul.
What? Babe! Honestly.
I'll be
what's like, what kind
Flash.
Flash?
Yeah,
like,
flash.
Go really fast.
Go really fast. Go really fast, I'll be a flash, you know?
Yeah.
And go really fast. Let's go.
Imera, do you guys like some of the new Samoan music? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, most of Samoan music, you know?
Who do you look up to the most and what qualities do you use? Okay, let me just give you some tips real quick, my guys, my subbies, my family. I don't know if that was like just to shorten it to make it the sentence work. But a lot of you guys are saying use. Like almost every comment he has use.
Oh.
Use ain't a word. I'm sorry to break it to you. Use is not a word. It's like one of my pet peeves. So I just had to get that off my chest real quick. But I understand what you mean. So let me answer the question. Who do yous look up to the most, and what qualities do yous love about that person?
For me, it would be The Rock. You know?
So realistic. Go ahead.
The Rock.
Why? What are the qualities you love most about that person?
He's a famous guy, you know?
Is that all?
And he represents Samoa. That movies, you know? I would love to represent my country, you know? Yeah, it would be The Rock. Get more money and be an actor. Famous boy.
Okay, so mine would probably
Fast and
be...
Furious Samoa 7.
babe,
What?
time's going. Okay, so mine would probably be my parents. My parents, the qualities I love most is they're just so wise beyond their years. They've got so much experience under their belt, real life experience under their belt. I always heed to their advice. It may not be... No, you can't change yours. It may not be, but their advice, like I always heed to their advice. They're always there to guide me, lead me. And they're always they reason really well. Like for example, if Aussie and I would have a fight, they act with their wisdom before they act with their action. So, this is from Rose Jerry 1127. Aussie, do you still eat a lot of island food since moving here? Because my hubs can't go without since moving 6 years ago.
Yeah, I still eat a lot of salmon food, but...
Yeah, he just doesn't cook it.
Oh, Belize.
I've never heard him say that.
Oh, Belize, don't say that.
No, because I'm not a big food eater. Like, it doesn't faze me. It's just not part of my palate, if you know what I mean. Like, I was raised on processed Aussie food, so that's like my favorite is like burger and chips. I love pub food. Any pub food like pasta, burgers, chips, nachos, that kind of pub food. That's my jam. Aussie loves pub food. We don't eat it as much as he'd probably like to, just because I don't cook it often, so I don't really know how to. I mean, he can cook it, but because if I'm doing the cooking and I'm ordering food, he's obviously just gonna eat what I eat.
Yeah.
So
I always eat when I go to her parents.
Oh yeah, that's true. If he ever eats island food, it's always from there.
Yeah.
Vic, she also asked, how's your health journey going? It's going all right. It's going all right. Let me just say that. A lot of people are like, whoa, you've lost so much weight. But honestly, it was just the makeup. I'm not wearing makeup today, just wearing Vaseline on my lips. But it's going well. What's your guys' love languages? This was from the Bala Amo Life. Shout out to them. Go and subscribe to them. They also have their own YouTube channel. My love language would have to be
Act of service.
Yeah. Or I don't know, because I'm like affirmation probably. Nah. I would probably, because I have to pick two, guys. I would probably, I'm sure if you nailed it down, there would always be just the one that's more than the others, but I can't really think. So I would probably pick affirmation and acts of service. Aussies would be affirmation. 100%. Okay, guys, we're just gonna skim through and then we'll answer like maybe 5 more. Depends on how much I actually put in this video. How's married life and advice on marriage? So my one advice would be, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. A lot of young couples, when they get married, some of them think that it's just going to be like a nice fairy tale, because you've just been watching too many movies, honey. Too many fairy tale stories. It's not how it is. Marriage is hard. It takes a lot from you, but it's sweet. Like anything, the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to fall. Get back up. That's the main thing, is talk to each other, communicate with one another. And when you have a fight, allow that time. Like, allow the fights to happen.
Not
within
just,
reason.
No, not action. Not just fight for real. You said allow that fight.
Yeah, I'm not encouraging domestic violence, honey. I think they know what I mean.
If you guys fight.
Okay, let me be more specific. If you have an
If you
argument,
guys fight, just stand up. Someone stand up and go somewhere.
Advice. This is still mine. Allow the argument to happen, take place, because you learn from it. Get some space, clear your head, but always come back and talk. Come back and talk, you know, hash it out, that kind of thing. Yours?
Take some space. If you have fight, take some space, go somewhere to make it happen, come back again. Yeah, love again, and strong love, and trust each other. That's my main point. Trust each other, and yeah, that's advice for marriage. And stay strong.
_Koengi said, what is your favorite thing about each other and why? You go first.
My favorite thing about her, she's a lovely wife.
Wow.
She knows how to...
What is that?
She knows what I want, you know. And she cook every evening for me. When I am going somewhere, she cooks some food and leave it for me and go somewhere. And the other ones, she's the best wife ever.
This guy is so close.
No, hindi ka man yung sayo rin. Sao ka na. She's the best wife. Best in this world. Her.
He's trying to butter me up, I swear.
She's the best.
No, because you see my face, I was like, is that all? Guatemala, loco, okay, yeah, and you know what, guys? She's the best.
She's the best wife, you know?
So my favorite thing about Aussie would have to be his heart. He's got such a nice, he's got such a pure heart. At times, I mean, sometimes he can be really itchy, babe, but...
Itchy? I'm not giving you an itchy type.
But most of the time, he's got such a beautiful, pure heart. Okay, how do you both overcome such conflicts and disagreements as a couple? That's from Sililo Mayava. It ties in with the other question that we answered about marriage advice. Next destination after lockdown. We would love to go to Samoa, but...
We would love to go to Samoa.
Yeah, not sure if that's going to happen.
Yeah, hopefully.
Dan and June, shout out to my girl, Zanny girl. She said, what's something you would change about each other? Something I would change about you. It feels like there's a lot, but then when you get asked, you can't think of anything. What's something you would change about me? Tell them.
You change a lot, baby.
Okay, tell me. Tell me, you better be careful. Aussie, the things that I would change about Aussie is I would give him just that little bit more patience when dealing in stressful situations. He's very impatient. I think that's all.
You change you are so stressful. Stressful girl.
I'm a stress head. I am a stress head, guys.
Yeah. You have to change. Don't stress anything. You have to be happy and stay focused.
Oh, this other one. I just thought of this question, guys, from that one. What's your biggest pet peeve of each other? I'll go first. My biggest pet peeve of Aussie, I got 2 right now that I can think of. I'm sure there's more. 3. I just thought of another one. My 3 is this guy always touches his phone when I can't stand that. That irks me so bad. It irks me so bad. When you're driving, eyes on the road. Second thing, the way he lamus his bulu. Oh, guys, I don't think anyone. This one.
Stop
It's
lying.
like a
Stop
Bobby.
lying.
Bobby.
I think she's lying. Yeah,
Oh, I've got gum right over there if you want to choose that.
yeah, I'll eat like this.
That also goes with
Like a
chewing his
gangster.
food. Chewing his food doesn't close his mouth. He's like,
Stop lying.
no. Last one, guys. Last one. Okay, so let me give you a background story real quick. My dad is really big on this. Really big. Like, that's why I am the way that I am. Because when we were younger, he would always do this. We would get in big trouble if we did this. Literally, he would literally go through it and separate them. Is the recycle. I can't stand when this guy puts tins in the rubbish bin. That's a big thing for me. That's a big thing for me. So, anyways, you can tell she's not happy. So, anyways,
The reason I put the tin on inside the bin inside the house because
guys, I can't even have my answer.
it's night time.
I
I
can't
just
even
wake
have
up
my
in the morning.
answer.
I can't even tell that stupid thing. That's just stupid.
That's what a pet peeve is. It's something so small.
No.
It's stupid. Go. Just say something that you don't like about me.
Like about everything.
Okay, well, he likes everything about me, so he got no pet peeves. And also the last thing, this guy always farts and he's fasting.
Your fart's so stinky. You know what? And the other thing I'm not like about her breath in the morning. Smash my nose, you know.
He's such a liar, this guy. Bruh, this guy. I'm not even going to get into that battle. That is so mature. This guy is talking like... Honestly, I swear an animal died in this guy's mouth overnight. You are such an eater. You are literally an eater.
This girl, I can't believe it. I can't believe it, girl.
What is it? What is it?
Oh,
What is it?
I was sleeping in the morning and
we're
when
still
she's
going
talking
on.
to me, oh my gosh. I thought there's a truck, that big truck is coming to next to my nose.
That was so dry. Oh my god.
I thought the cow was spare from 2 years ago.
Funny. Oh my god. See, he's only saying this because of what I said. But it's alright, you can have it, boy. You can have it. We have this conversation every morning. When he turns over, he says, "Morning, baby." I'm like,
Every morning
he
you
knows.
wake up.
Stop
and
like
she's
he
talking
knows.
to me
Every time he's like,
oh.
"Morning, baby." I was like, Oh my god, it's so funny. Anyways, guys, so the next question.
It's just a joke, you know. It was just a joke.
I'm not joking.
Her breath is so bad. I can't believe the girl I married to.
Babe, that's a bit too far.
my God.
That's a bit too far now. Shut your mouth.
You know what? That's why. Oh, that's my. Don't like this girl.
I can't breathe.
When I wake up in the morning, her breath is smashed my nose really
my God.
bad.
This is just too funny. This is our last question, guys. We'll finish off with a bang. Epenese Eva, hey girl. What advice would you give your younger self? Oh, girl, just live. Don't care about what anyone says to you.
And stay
I grew
broke.
up most of my life just caring so much about what people thought or what people said about me, and it just really affected, I feel like, it really affected my confidence, it affected my mindset. Do not worry about what they say. You don't need any friends, because the friends in my lifetime have really stuffed me over. So no, you got your family, you got your husband. Just love yourself. You are beautiful and you are enough. What advice would you give yourself?
Yeah.
No, you can't have mine.
Yeah, just stay, be yourself. Be yourself, not to be other person. Just be yourself. And read the Bible every time. And pray to God to give you more advice to your life, to stay and focus on your life and finish all things that you do in this world. You know, I'm preaching to you right now as a preacher.
So guys, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Share with your family and friends for a good laugh. If you're dying to ask another question, then do comment down below and we'll probably do it in the next one if there is enough interest in that. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. It really helps and supports us, supports this channel when you guys like our videos. So please do smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below.
Smash the like
button. Leave a comment down below, the code word.
Code word is pair.
Pair. So if you watch to the end, leave your comment and pair. That's it guys. We'll see you in the next one. We love you from Aussie and Victoria.
Yeah.
SV Squad signing.